Hi, my name is Ashley and this is my 24th birthday trip to Spain. So come along with me because I'm super excited and it's my first time being here. We finally made it. We're checking into the hotel. I look gross. Like I need to touch up on a lot of things. It's been a long day. This hotel looks really nice and I'm really excited because of the spa and everything. My boyfriend's just checking us in and then we'll be good. There's a little balcony. Oh my gosh guys, this bathroom is so nice. I love this sink and everything. Like it's giving. It's really giving. I also got a plug socket, which I love because I get to put my straighteners in. The shower is just so big. I love a big shower. And like the head is big as well. These glasses have been pissing me off all day. They're just too big for my face. I'm gonna try going here. How do you open this? Oh. Wow. Unfortunately, I won't really be getting my hair wet. But I don't know because they have a spa and a pool, so you never know. Even though I just freshly straightened my hair last night. This is our like little closet space. I'm gonna pack all my stuff in here. We actually went to the shop. I got some Chip Ahoy's. Already tasted it. They just taste like normal cookies to me, nothing that special. I got some strawberries. I was just feeling a bit of fruit since I didn't really eat anything all day. They look so nice and they were only like £2 something, which is so cheap. Last but not least, I got this smoothie. I don't really know what's in it, but I can see there's mango and ginger, so I got this just to rejuvenate myself. Also, we have a balcony out here. I don't know if I'm going to be chilling out here that much because I like my privacy, but it's hella cute. We got like a chair and table here. I don't know. I guess if you're just too hot, you just come out here and chill. Let me show you guys the view because it's actually really cute. But yeah, I'm gonna try fix myself up a little bit and then come back to you guys because I look crazy right now. This is my gym outfit. We're gonna go for breakfast and then go. Okay. Are you okay? Buen dias everyone, we're currently at breakfast. Today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. It's currently 9:11. After this we're meant to go gym, but we should have got breakfast after the gym because we're going to be so full. So hopefully we can still do a little workout. Let me show you what I got actually. I got some bread, scrambled egg, bacon and some melon, and then I got pineapple juice. I'm gonna get so much fruit after and probably like, I see they have churros. I love churros. Oh, it looks cute. Okay, so I got ready. We're gonna go out. We don't know what we're doing yet, but we'll figure it out as we go on. This is going everywhere with me because it holds a lot. And I did my hair. It kind of looks like I'm going to dinner, but I have a separate outfit for that, so. Darling, this is like a cover-up. Just at this souvenir shop. So cute. Oh wait, I like this one. Oh. I literally bought these glasses just now. They're so cute. Beach guy. Right now we're gonna get us some ice cream. I'm super excited. We're walking up this hill to medieval castle. Guys, look at this view! Oh my god. We're just walking around. I actually really like it here. It's very pretty and dainty. It's just like different. Like, look at this. Wow. Okay, so we're trying to go to town because there's like more to do there. It's been a vibe going around different places because it's so pretty. Like, it's crazy. Like, I've been to Annecy, been to Paris, like been to Lyon, but I think looks wise it looks better here. So we're trying to take a bus from Tossa de Mar, which we are in right now, to Blanes, just to go on a boat. Something's dripping on me because the beach there is really, really nice. And yeah, like, I don't really know too much. My boyfriend just be looking up stuff, so yeah. Currently in the supermarket, we're trying to get snacks for after when we go to the beach. So I got some Takis, Pringles, also some Lipton tea. Snack time. I want to get wipes as well for my makeup. Just beat it. Just. What's up? I got me the wipes. We nearly got wipes for down there. It's kind of funny. Look at that watermelon. Gracias. Yay. Okay, so we're around the Tossa de Mar. I think that's how you say it. I'm not Spanish, but it's very beautiful up here. I'm out of breath because we just walked up a tough hill. It was crazy. Look at the views. It's the views. Oh, I'm tired. Oh. Damn. Get my cardio in. Guys, you have to visit this place. It's so nice. Oh, it's... Your towel is better than mine. What do you mean? We just gave them chips and they're all by us. I just want to show you guys what I got from the shop. It's a bathing cover-up and they wrapped it so cute in this wrapping paper. I think it's called a kimono. This is what it looks like. The pattern is so cute. There was a pink one, but I already bought this one, so I couldn't like really swap. I'm back in my hotel. I am now gonna get ready for my birthday dinner. It's Sunday, so there's not really many places to go, but we will figure out where we're gonna eat. I just want to look hella cute and take pictures, to be honest. I love wearing this now as well, like it's so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I already done my hair a little bit. I have to do my edges. It's just this cute bun. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodale when they let her pick up whatever she want. 60 Gucci hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nails, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. She on a fire trip again. I know pussy power got me buying shit again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama slide in my DMs. Now I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it. Hey guys, so I'm all ready. I'm actually really happy with the way everything turned out. It's really, really cute, and my dress is cute as well. This is what it looks like. And then I'm wearing gold heels, just a tiny heel, because me and heels don't go. Hopefully everything's not closed, but I had fun like getting dressed and everything, so. Buenos dias, everyone. It's the next day. We're gonna go to Barcelona to go shopping, and also there's a beach there, so I'm super excited to see what it's like. I just put my hair up in half down, half up, because I wasn't trying to do too much, and I'm just wearing a basic white top and some joggers because today is meant to be raining / sunny / cloudy, so we have to prepare for every single weather. We're gonna take a bus there, and it's gonna take us about an hour to reach there, so let's go. Are you ready for a trip?
Yeah.
The weather is so nice. I don't know, like they said it was gonna rain and everything, and I was getting hella scared because I only bought like summery outfits, like dresses and stuff, so I didn't really know what to think of it, but I'm happy that it's sunny right now. And yeah. Gracias.
I like both people.
Same.
Very cute.
We just met these two old ladies. So nice, so sweet. One spoke French, one just speaks Spanish, and we were literally Google translating to them. I guess it's one way to communicate, right? So funny. I think they're gonna say bye soon. Finally on the train. It takes about half an hour to get to Barcelona. We're actually going to the thrift shop. I've been wanting to thrift in Barcelona for so long, and I finally get to do it, so. Anything to say? Let's go. We just got the metro. Yeah. We're about to go to the thrift market. This place is so nice. I love palm trees. I don't know if this is a palm tree. Let me know. Maybe it's like a different family. Like maybe it's a different type but in the same family. I have no idea. It's about to rain. We finally made it to the market. It's so huge in here, it's crazy, and it's really, really cheap. We are in Ben & Jerry's. I just got some ice cream because I've never seen a Ben & Jerry's shop before. I got cookie dough and brownie. Super excited. We're also currently waiting for Bay to fix his phone because he dropped it. And that church was huge. We haven't been inside it yet. It's ongoing renovations with the church. I don't know why, but it looks like crazy. There's so much like detail on it. It's a Catholic church. I'm not Catholic, but that church looks good. You guys think that is? Guys, it's a dupe of the one in Paris. But the one in Paris is so much better, I'm not gonna lie. But this is still really cool. Viva. That's so funny. Can I do it? This is eating it. Let's just like freak it out. So cool. Perfect. Oh, this is on my head, babe. No. I've done my makeup. Now it's time to get dressed, head downstairs for breakfast again, and then head out to take some pictures. I also bought my digital camera. Let me show you guys. So this is my digital camera. We saw some in the market. They charge like 80 euros. No, baby. It's been very hard taking pictures on this because I'm filming on my camera, also my phone. Like, it's a lot, but really trying. Some of the pictures did turn out cute, and I also took my birthday pictures with this. Show you guys. Ooh. This is my outfit. I got this from Bershka. When I saw it, I was like, yeah, gotta get that. Very pretty, very flowy. And then I also got my sandals. So cute. I'm gonna take this bag with me because it goes with the vibes. Also, I want to show you guys from the market. I got this Brazil top. Well, my boyfriend got it for me. It's so cute. I wanted to match with him. So we saw this and we just got it. Come show them. Oh, you took it off. We're matching. Woof woof. Wait, you're 7. I'm 9. Ronaldo.
That's the whole. That's the.
So yeah, I love this top so much. I'm gonna wear it a lot. Actually, I'll wear it when we come back from the from outside. I'm gonna wear it. Also, I packed a little bit, so that's a good thing. Gotta download some movies on my iPad before I leave, because I hate being on the coach for several hours and there's no movies to watch. Breakfast demolished. How do you feel?
Rejuvenated.
Huh?
Rejuvenated.
Rejuvenated. Guys, why is my edges going away already? But I'm low-key allergic to pineapple, but the pineapple was good. And the melon. Do we need to go back for your card? We're at the beach again. I got some lemon ice cream. It's so nice. We're just chilling. We have an hour left. It's crazy how time like passes us by. I'm just trying to get my ice cream. Let's go into the water. Ah. What are you doing? Oh, it is cold.
Alright, I'm going.
No, I'm too scared.
You ready?
I don't know. Guys, I just went in. I'm blind. That water was so cold though. At this point, we were actually supposed to be flying home. We ended up missing our flight, which was incredibly stressful at the time, so I didn't film any of it. But it did mean we got a few extra days in Barcelona, so enjoy these wholesome clips that I took.
stop.
I don't know about swim though. I don't think I can swim.
Yes, you can.
I'm scared.
Boy, scared of what?
Damn. Currently in the taxi, we're gonna head to Blanes train station and then go to Barcelona. We're in this store called Desigo. It's kind of like Zara, but like more Y2K. It's really nice in here. Wow. Damn.
She don't like the rent. She don't like things crashing down. Yeah. She won't make a play.
A time was had in Barcelona, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.